We make nigga pizza. Treyway, these niggas said it hurt me. I ain't heard you. Get the fuck up on my fucking face.
That's how wheels work.
Hey, I'm not buckled.
Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! It peaked at 80. Yeah, I think this thing can hit 80. It can't go higher than that. Stand up! Right here, Sam! Oh, Sam. It's like a man and just climbed.
Iced tea from McDonald's.
I drink that.
2.5 men.
I watch that. Super hot fire. I spit that. Oh! Ding. Bada boom. Bada boom bop. Bada boom boom pow. Oh!
How Bernie Sanders can still win.
Ricky, don't lose that number.
So lose the number.
That's kind of mean.
God is that?
Not me. I'm immune. This doesn't faze me at all.
Dude, that guy got AirPods. I heard those things never fall out.
You know, these never fall out.
Okay. Shout out to my ears.
It's closed.
It's closed, Miles.
Mac! Holy, Mac, you gotta come back.
I made that mistake once.
I made that mistake once. I cannot
Never
make
again. That's just my flashlight.
Wait out 2 hours, but they can wait.
Oh! Far at all.
You scared me.
Now we just got like 28 flights to go.
Oh, we gotta walk down now.
I know.
I was flying it, you know, taking off right here. And yeah, so it went up in the sky. I was flying it around the building and shit. And so I, you know, did the automatic, return home. And so it came over here and then it just yeeted me out. It fucking flew that way. It was just, I didn't even know where it was, but.
Now it's all the way down, like right there.
Got it.
Keep holding it.
He lost his keys right after Ian lost his drone.
So so we were in Galtier. I reached in my pocket, couldn't find my keys. So we retraced our steps, hit up every fucking roof we just hit during the day. We were searching and searching. We were just scouring the land for our keys.
For like 2 hours.
For like 2 hours, we could not find my keys. So I go back to the car, and they were in the car the whole time.
In the ignition.
In the ignition key.
And we were parked on a city street.
And the car was unlocked, so someone could have stolen my car easily.
I can't believe it.
We made it though, I guess, by an act of God somehow.
Oh shh. This thing. Okay, I'm gonna put it right here. Holy, oh my gosh, we're like actually dead if this breaks. This is not safe. This is not safe. This is not safe. If that breaks, we're like straight up fucked.
Right.
Oh, so nervous. No! Back up! Go right outside! What have we done? Oh my God!
And you said you thought it over. You said that you were coming home.
What's happening over here? Jacob, how are you living? Breathe through your nose. Really warm and fuzzy. That charger cord is awesome.
I know. We got it for.
Oh, that's what I meant. Yep. Are we playing Scrap? Powerful Lydia.
What hurts? Enough?
Just let him do it.
Oh my gosh.
Some messed up.
Everybody say something. Keep it going. Eggs, bacon,
sausage. I'm gonna.
Trying to get demons up out of me. Turn to a beast, eat your arteries.